There we go. All right, go live. We're good. I'll just put the live control room stuff on that screen. And then we don't need LinkedIn up or the guitar stuff because we're working on that later. Hopefully my laundry machine is not too loud for you guys. So we are working on Team Treehouse project number 3. I can go ahead and close that. It's basically, I need to do Flexbox later because I've watched that already. I just need to review it because I did it like half a year ago. And I haven't been using Flexbox much in my job. This week was kind of tough though because my manager, why is Google Chrome up? Did I have that up? I guess it is. Yeah, anyway, my manager got a new house, so he was out this week. And I had to basically do all my work and his work. So it was a little bit of a rough week, but we made it work. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started on this. So we got Adam up. We can go ahead and close this stuff out because we were done with that project. Also, project got rejected because we forgot something. What was it? I forget what it was, but I resubmitted it, and it was something small. I always miss the small stuff, dude. I need to work on my attention to detail. And we need these glasses on too, huh? Boom. There we go. I don't know if it works with headphones or blue light blocking glasses, so there's that. All right, let's go ahead and open up GitHub and make a new repository for this. I can bring that over to this screen, and we will just do create new. Project 3 part 2, there we go. I don't know if these glasses look good or not. I probably look like a dork, but whatever. If they have health benefits, I will wear them. Just like my magic salt crystals. Just kidding, I don't have magic salt crystals. Those aren't real. All right, and we made it. So we can go ahead and show and explore, open this up. We will just do new text document. We'll call it index.html. Yeah, I don't care if it's unusable. And then we've got to go back to Team Treehouse, and we're going to get these files to see what this project is. We're building a online registration form. Download. There we go. Oh, I'm tired. Oh my gosh. All right, so we just need the mock-ups, so we can go ahead and snag those, close that out, and then we will paste those here so we know what it looks like. All right, let's see what we're doing here. So we've supplied you with 2 files, the mock-ups, cool. So we're building mobile first, project instructions. We'll be checking the project in Google Chrome, good, because Internet Explorer sucks. Actually, any other browser aside, Google Chrome sucks. But if you're not using Google Chrome, go download it right now. Build the layout using mobile first, cool. Make sure the HTML includes a viewport meta tag in the head of the document. See configuring the viewport to understand how to add this tag. Look at the provided mockup and add the same content to your index. Okay, I'm just gonna close this out. We're gonna build this thing, so let's get to it. Adam, let's drag our index HTML over here to get it in. Why is I need the relative file path pulled up. So that, and then it is GitHub. Is it? Is that right? We're in the wrong folder here. We're just gonna go ahead and do new, and then drag the index in here. There we go. Now I pulled up the right file path. Now we're all set. Close out the welcome stuff. Let's go ahead and open up the mobile form so we can see what that looks like. And we'll split this to the right because I like being able to look at it too. Zoom in a tad bit. All right, so that's not much. So it says this project's supposed to take 8 hours at the top here, but I feel like this is like maybe like a 1 or 2 hour project. If you know what you're doing. If you're new, yeah, it probably takes 8 hours. So let's go ahead and do HTML5 and make our little template here. And I don't need that. Save. And we're gonna go to GitHub. Pull up our last project and look in this index.html file, and I want this viewport meta tag because I don't want to type that out. Did I have a normalized CDN in there? I didn't, huh? Okay, well, oh well. Actually, we'll use that same font because I want that same font too. So we'll just import that, copy that, minimize. Take these meta tags. Actually, we'll leave that first one in here. Paste that stuff. Scroll over. There we go. Indent a little bit. Got to make the code look pretty. And then indent that a little bit. That's a little too far, huh? Maybe we need some. What? Get even. There we go. All right. So this is the code review, and so I looked at the desktop one. I need this right here. And then we're going to turn the minimap off because we don't need that. Cool. So based on this one's got like we need a body, and then we need a container for the form, and then we can break it down inside there. So we'll do div, actually, header. And then we'll do the container. All right, so in the header, we just need H1 to, would that be the H1? What do you think? Sign up for a newsletter? I feel like that'd be the H1, and this is like an H2, maybe. Actually, yeah. All right, yeah, we'll just make that an H1. And we will write the code review. And that's all we need for that part right there. And then header, we can just give the header a background of nothing. And then in the body here, we are going to do, does it say anything on there? No, sign up for our newsletter, that's it. Okay, cool. So we can do like, what should we call this class? We'll just do section 1. And then that'll have the H2. Ah, there we go. Something's done, so it's quieter now. It's good. And then we'll put the little P tag here. And this will just say all right, cool. So we got that. That's section 1. So now we need, how are we gonna do that border? I guess we can use like an HR, huh? Or we could take that picture and just put that in there as a pseudo element, but we can't grab the picture, so that kind of sucks. And then this will be div class equals section 2. Did it not autocomplete for me? Interesting. All right, so let's go back to Team Treehouse and make sure we're doing this right, because sometimes I'll make it and then there's stuff that I'm like, I wish I knew that before. All right, so those are just the form fields we need to include. Only use one form tag, of course. Ah, geez, sorry, I'm so tired, guys. I don't know what happened. I went to bed at like 11 last night, so not too late. You don't need to make a function. You don't need to make a functioning form. Okay, cool. form fields should include the following attributes. Okay, ID, tag and stuff. Add labels to each form element using the HTML label tag. Okay. Placeholders. Required. Once you have everything in place, mobile layout, make it adjustable. Once all your breakpoints are in check, make sure it mocks up. Okay, add a focus. So whenever you're focused on the field, the change, like there's some change. Make sure check your code for validity. Okay, and then what's the extra credit stuff? Use the required attribute to add HTML5 verification. Cool. Add at least the following additional styling enhancements to the form. Feel free to add extra styling, but leave the basic layout the same as the mock-up one. Cool. Change the background color of at least one of the main sections. And use CSS transitions for focus states. Okay, so we'll just do like a transition duration on that, probably. Use CSS transitions to affect the highlight. I thought that's what the focus part was for, but okay. All right, cool. So back to this thing. We've got, if that'll tab in for me, H2, and this will be contact information. No. There we go. Contact information, and then we're going to do our form. And then we'll do, so we need the label. And then we need our input. And then, how many of those do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pretty much. But the one right here in the middle, that's going to be a select, right? Is that how you do a select element? I forgot. Okay, yeah, it is cool. And then you just have options in there. We might just copy and paste this because we're lazy. Just to make sure we're doing it right, you know? We'll just take that right there. And just go to form. And then we'll close that out. So those are going to be all the states. Ah, that's annoying. There's got to be a pre-programmed way to do that. Okay, so that's going to be all of our labels. Then we need the newsletter section that's still in the form. So this will be HR for the little line there, and then we need H2 for that one. There we go. Newsletter, and then we'll do a little p tag, and we'll do and then right here we need actually that should be a label, right? And then we'll do, so those, I forgot how to make those, dude. Let's see, so that's just what it is, right? It's just checkbox. Input type checkbox. Actually, that's the phone, right? So that'll be a number, but we'll mess with that later. Let's just go ahead and get all the elements straightened out here. Okay, so input value bike. How does this look right now if we open this up in the browser? Why did it open in Internet Explorer? We hate Internet Explorer. we can just copy that. I haven't saved in a while, that's why nothing's different. Go here, paste that, there we go. All right, so there's that in our checkbox, cool. So obviously got to work on the formatting a lot, but we're getting almost all the HTML done. So, that isn't a label, that's just a P element, and then the thing next to it, that's the label. So, and then we can just copy that and do that 2 more times. Nope, I want space, there we go. All right, and then we'll do another little P tag for newsletter format. And then this will just be basically the same thing, we'll just change that to radio. Oh my gosh, I need to change my default in there for sure. Did I not do the radio button right? Is it radio? Is that the right word for it? HTML form, radio button. There we go. All right. Yeah, it's just radio. Input type radio. Huh. Let's try this again. There we go. I just hadn't saved. That's the simplest mistake. All right, and then other topics will be a text area. Right, and then we just need the button type equals submit. And then we need our little P tag with class copy, the copyright part. And then we can go copyright the code review. Cool. And that is all the HTML we need. So pretty simple. Dang, dude. 20 minutes to put all the HTML. I am disappointing myself. Come on. Gotta get faster. Alright, so why is there that tag name there, the left bracket there? Did I forget something? Yeah, right there. Had an extra one. What are you doing? Save it. There we go. That's not the right place. Where's our document? There we go. Cool. So, first thing, we're going to do that top part, the code review. And we didn't even get all our HTML. Dang it. Because we still got to add all that other stuff. Okay. Let's go ahead and make a style sheet. So, new file, styles, CSS. And then we will do header, background color to match that. Guess we should go and put this in a CSS folder. They wanted us to do that for the last project, so we'll keep it that way just to be safe. And then let's go to our handy dandy color picker and find something that matches that. That's pretty close, maybe a little bit lighter. I think, let's go up here a little bit more. There we go, that'll work. We can do header H1, color white, and then we'll see how that looks real quick and see what we need to do to adjust the font size. Okay, so I'm not a fan of that font. Is that what it is? Is it? I guess that is the same font, huh? All right, well, we need to go ahead and get rid of that padding up there. So let's go ahead and do like a CSS normalize CDN. I'm gonna go ahead and take that thing and put that up here above our CSS because above our CSS. There we go. href equals this thing. And that'll normalize it on all the browsers. Don't need that. Reset this. All right, cool. The inspector can go on this screen, so you guys can see that too if you want to. All right, so the H1 is padding top, which is cool. We just need to add some padding to the header. So let's do 20 pixels, I guess. How's that look? That feels like that's too much. Maybe like 15, huh? That'll work. And then we can do text align center. Cool. Copy that. Throw that in our header CSS here. All right, and we're good there. So let's go ahead and switch this to mobile view, actually, since we're supposed to build that first. Okay, so not taking up 100% width. What's going on there? Body margin 0. Display block, line height. Do I just need to refresh maybe? Nope, that didn't do it. Why is the HTML only taking up half the page? What? My zoom off? No, zoom shouldn't affect it. Interesting. Interesting. Is there something wrong with my CSS? Color white. No, that all looks good. Oh. Huh. But the text block, that one's going all the way across, so did I forget to close something over here? We got the div for container. Oh, we didn't close container. Okay. Oh, yeah, we did right there, right? Cool. And then body is next. And body closes. And then, yeah, what did we forget? Is it normalized CSS? Is that doing weird stuff? Refresh. Okay. Do I just... I need to set the width of it right? Is that what it is? No, because this is... It's something with my viewport meta tag. That's fucked up. We can uncomment that because we want that for sure. Yeah. What? What is this doing? Yeah, so that's more what we want. So what's up with our viewport meta tag, huh? What is that doing wrong? Width equals device width. Okay, that's right. Initial scale 1. My laundry is annoying. Oh my gosh. Let's check this, configure the viewport again. We're not doing something right here. Include width equals device width to match the screen's width. Okay, initial scale is 1. We've got that, right? content width is device width. That's what I've got, huh? Comment. All right, let's see if anything changes. No, that's what we've got. Huh. And then we go here again. Let's refresh, and it's back to that. Well, let's see. You can set media queries on the style sheets. Sweet. I didn't know you could do that. So let's just see. Viewport meta is messing up the mobile design. Do I have some weird setting turned on? Let's turn that off. Back there. It's still the same thing, so we didn't mess anything else up. And then inspect. Alright. What? Why is it doing this crap? Okay, viewport. Width equals device width, initial scale is 1. What if we change that? What does that do? Do 100. That's safe? Yeah. Alright, so 100 doesn't do anything. We want 1. We've got that in there. Huh. Is that recent? No, that's from 2015. Huh. Check that too. Yeah, so that's not what it's supposed to be doing, right? So return something like this, and the body says it's correct, but the viewport is scaled down. You can also double tap to toggle between scale 1. Why is the viewport with scale down? Just put the whole one in here, I guess. That needs to be on a new line, though. There we go. Boop. Boop. Save. Try refreshing that. Oh, that fixed it. Cool. I don't know what's up with that first meta tag we used, but that looks like it fixes it. I mean, that's still overflowing for some reason. So if we do text area, max width, 100%. Okay, do like 97. Actually, we'll do 100. We'll just give it some padding, huh? In the future. All right, so code review. It's about how it's supposed to look. I think the font needs to be a little bit smaller. It's not that font because the C is different. All right, I didn't think that was right. See, Google Fonts. Alright, so let's find a C that looks like that. Because this C has got the part on the bottom and the top here. That's the only letter I see that's different. It just, it doesn't look right still though. I can just find me all the C's. There we go. Crescent, nope. No, nope. That was almost it. This could be it. Robo slab. T's don't quite match up. Let's keep looking here. Nothing else has a T in it? What's going on? Come on. Alright, we might just use Robo Slab because I kind of like that. I like the way that one looks. Alright, we'll just copy that one then. We'll just do regular. I think. Is that bold? Yeah, maybe we can add it in if we need it in a sec. So back here, we can make that a little bit smaller so we can actually see our code here. And then we'll put that, save. And then we need to add that one to the H1 there. Ah, nope, not full screen. Good try though. Ah, that looks awful. Yeah, that didn't work for me. I like the other one better. Ugh. Why don't these all have the same text? Can I can change it. What? Just want a capital C and everything. No, up. What did we do? Go back to the old one. C, yeah, maybe. What does T look like, huh? Is that it? Is it PT serif? The corners are a little too pointed there. I like that one though. That could be it. We'll just try these last four. C.T. Fletcher, because he's awesome, right? Nope. No. And no. Okay, one more row. And then if this doesn't work, we'll go back and pick the other one though. Alright, cool. So we're going to go with Markazi text. Cool. We can get rid of RoboSlab, and we'll just take this. If y'all can hear my washer, it plays beautiful beeping sounds when it's done. And we'll just throw that. Which one? It was the RoboSlab, right? Yeah. There we go. Now it's way quieter. Now we need a little bit of like, let's see, YouTube, copyright free music. If you guys have any questions, feel free to throw those in here. I'd be happy to answer those. Wait, what? There we go. Turn that down a little bit, and we need this to come through my headphones. So focus right. Boom. There we go. Is that coming in on this too? All right, that's a little too loud in there, huh? So we'll turn that down. All right, and then I'm not feeling that song, so let's go audio library, see if that's got anything good. Ooh. Nah, I'm not feeling that. Copyright-free EDM stuff. Ah, my phone. It's off. Is it dead? My phone die? No, but we are in low power mode, so... Alright. Is that a little too loud? Let's turn that down a little bit, huh? Just want it like nice and calm in the background here. Alright, and then on styles in the body, that's above the header actually, so let's just do body, text, align, center. I guess everything's not centered actually, everything's like to the left a little bit. So nope, we'll just throw that on specific stuff that we want it on. Expand that a little bit. Alright, so I'm actually gonna take a nap real quick because I'm dying for some reason. Nope, don't want to watch that. But I will be back in a little while today and we will finish this project up, guys, okay? Alright. I will see y'all later.